Hello students, myself Archana Varude from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, and after watching this video you will be able to understand what is meant by angular motion, what is the definition of radius vector, what is meant by angular displacement and angular velocity. For actually starting this point, that is angular motion, here observe these photographs. Here in this first photograph spinner is shown, and as we know that when spinner is rotated then it performs a particular motion and it is in a particular direction and it rotates about its mean position. And in second photograph, when we rotate that top, then it always perform a circular motion and it is about its mean position, and as its velocity decreases then it stops at a particular point. Then take the examples of sun and planets. Here we know that planets rotate around the sun in a circular motion. Also consider the second example of earth and moon. Here that moon always rotate around the earth in a circular motion. Then here this is the example of circular ride. It always perform a circular motion and it is about its mean position. Then consider the example of circular track in racing competition. Here this is the circular track, and here when that participants are performing motion, when it completes that one rotation, then it is called as a circular motion or angular motion. Then from that we write the definition of angular motion is: if the motion of body takes place along the circumference of circle, then it is called as circular motion or angular motion. See here these planets or this circular track, here they are performing a motion and it is along the circumference of circle. Here that top is always rotated and it is along the circumference of circle, and therefore that motion is called as a circular motion or angular motion. And when particle moves along a circular path, then its linear velocity is always directed along the tangent to a circle at a given instant, and this velocity is called as instantaneous linear velocity of the particle. Here see this diagram. Here that particle is performing circular motion, that arrow shows the direction of that particle or direction of body performing a circular motion. Here this is the center, here this is the line joining between that position of particle and the center, and here this arrow, it shows the direction of that linear velocity. You know that linear velocity, it is always in a straight line, and here it is observed that it is always tangent to that point, and therefore here we write that linear velocity is directed along the tangent to a circle at the given instant, and this linear velocity is called as instantaneous linear velocity. Then what is by radius vector? For that again consider that particle is performing circular motion in a clockwise direction. Here that center of the motion is called as point O. Here first A is the position of particle, then after some time that point A, it comes to point B, that means that body performing circular motion and it covers some distance and it reaches to point B. Then when we join that center of circle and position of particles, then that is called as a radius vector, and therefore we write the definition of radius vector as the line joining the center and position of particle is called as radius vector. See here, this is the line joining between position of particle, that is OA, and second is OB, and that is called as a radius vector. And here A is the first position of particle, B is second position, and here that particle is performing circular motion, then there is an angle created, that is called as a theta, and it is also called as angular displacement. Here, what is my angular displacement? Here, again see this diagram. Here, the position of particle is first at point A, and when we join that line between center and position of particle is called as radius vector. But when that particle changes its position from point A to point B, that means radius vector turns its position, and due to that there is an angle created, that is called as a angular displacement. And therefore we write the definition as, it is defined as the angle through which the radius vector turns when the particle in circular motion moves from one position to another position. And for angular displacement, symbol used is theta, and the SI unit of angular displacement is radians, and in short it is written as rad. And the direction of this angular displacement is perpendicular to the plane of circle, and it is given by the right-handed screw rule. Here, this theta, it is called as a angular displacement. Then what is my angular velocity? Again consider that particle is performing circular motion. This arrow shows the direction of that motion. Then as we know that linear velocity has the formula displacement upon time. Here the angular velocity means it is the ratio of angular displacement with respect to time. Here this is the center of that particle. Then here first that particle is at position A. When we join that line, that is center of that circle and position of particle, it is called as the radius vector. And when that particle is performing circular motion, then this angular velocity is always perpendicular, and it is denoted by omega. And the definition of angular velocity is the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity. And omega is the symbol used to denote angular velocity. Then from definition, we write the formula omega equals to delta theta upon delta t, where delta theta means it is the change of angular displacement, and here delta t means it is with respect to time. Then we solve MCQ. First question is, the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as. Option A is uniform speed. Option B is uniform velocity. Option C is angular velocity, and option D is none of these. And as we see in this earlier slide, the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity, and therefore correct option is C, angular velocity. Question number 2 is, SI unit of angular displacement is. Option A is radius, option B is uniform velocity, option C is both A and B, and option D is retardation. And as we know that angular displacement, its SI unit is radians, and therefore correct option is A, radians. That's all about today's video. Thank you.